Which of these chairs will work best for you, the Amazon Basics or the Coleman Portable? Let's look at them side by side so you can make the choice. First, let's talk about portability. Both chairs have carrying cases. The Amazon Basics case seems to be a little higher quality, and the Amazon chair weighs just under 7 pounds, while the Coleman chair is over 8. Now let's look at comfort. These are both comfortable camp chairs, but the Coleman has the edge here. The seat is wider and padded, and it also has a high back, providing great support. The Amazon chair does have this mesh lining on the back, which is great for a hot day. When it comes to durability, the Amazon Basics chair is incredibly high quality, with thick canvas and strong mesh. The arms are reinforced with double-sided canvas, so it can support a heavy water bottle in the cup holder. The Coleman has thick padded canvas on the body of the chair, but the canvas and stitching don't seem to be quite as thick or high quality as the Amazon chair. The armrests on the Coleman chair are single-sided canvas, so they do feel a little flimsy next to the Amazon Basics chair. When it comes to features, these chairs are remarkably similar. They share this convenient 4-can cooler in the armrest, big enough for some drinks or your whole lunch. The cup holder in the Amazon chair is slightly larger, but they're fairly comparable. These are both great chairs. I hope you can choose the perfect one for you. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And if you're interested in any of the products featured, there's a link in the description below.